Wednesday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Bazurek on the phone with meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. Chris, a few showers out there this morning.
Yeah, Joe, we've got some shower activity on this upper level low that's pulling away from the area, and we've got a low pressure and weather system that's in northeastern Kansas. It's going to be heading off towards the upper Midwest and Great Lakes here this afternoon. As that pulls out, we're going to see winds pick up here this morning at 20 to 30 miles per hour from the north and west. We got rain showers that are now in eastern Rawlins and Thomas County. We'll move through Decatur and Sheridan counties here and off into the north and east as the morning goes on. We've got temperatures that are starting out this morning. We are in the upper 30s and low 40s. We got 36 in Burlington, 37 in Goodland, 38 in Colby. We got 40 here in Atwood and 41 in McCook and Norton. This afternoon, we'll see those clouds slowly decrease. We got temperatures that will climb up into the upper 50s, and those northwest winds will die down a little bit, still be breezy at 15 to 25 miles per hour, and really don't lighten until we get into the overnight hours where they'll drop 5 to 10 and start turning to the north and east. As this high pressure kind of settles in today and tonight, keeps us dry for a period of time. We got a low that'll be coming on and trough to the west. That'll start expanding over the Rockies Thursday, Friday, and then extend all the way from northeastern Canada to the southwest as a trough across the country on Saturday. What that's going to do is bring two low pressure systems through the area, one on Thursday and then another one on Friday night into Saturday, and that will give us increased chances for moisture. We're looking at overnight lows tonight dropping into the upper 20s with those skies kind of clearing and clouds increasing tomorrow morning. Rain showers will be lifting to the north off of a low pressure spinning over and developing in southeast Colorado. Those rain showers with those morning temperatures below freezing to the west of Highway 25, 27, more likely out there on the Kansas-Colorado line, could be mixing in and out of snow. And then we got rain to the east. Temperatures will be struggling during the day with that moisture evecting in to get out of the 30s, but we should stay in the form of rain to the east of the state line and maybe a little snow mix out there in Colorado. We don't expect any accumulation, but you could see a few flakes. That'll go on through the day on Thursday. Temperatures, like we said, will be chilly, and then those winds will turn to a east-northeast direction, 10 to 20, gusting to 25 miles per hour. Could pick up a half inch of moisture with that stuff on Thursday. Thursday night, for the first part of Friday, will be in between the next low-pressure system. It'll remain cloudy and cold. Temperatures will drop below freezing, be around that upper 20s, low 30s there on Friday morning. And then we've got temperatures will climb into the low 40s before that next system comes through later in the afternoon, evening. Could have some rumbles, maybe a thunder, more likely rain showers, and then that potential for snow during the overnight hours mixing into the west into Saturday morning. Saturday morning will start off on a colder note up there in the mid, that 25 to 30 degree range. Maybe that snow mixing out to the west of Highway 25. Maybe some grassy accumulation, picking up another half inch through the late day or early afternoon periods there on Saturday. Temperatures still struggling. We'll be in that 40 to 45 degree range, and we'll see no clearing until we get to Saturday night, Sunday, and then Monday as a ridge starts building out west. That'll bring temperatures into the middle 50s on Sunday. Upper 60s on Monday, starting to feel like spring. That ridge will slowly expand across the country all of next week. Looks like we're going to have a dry period next week and even the following weekend, probably to the 15th, as that high pressure becomes the dominating feature. We'll feel like spring as temperatures go back into the 70s, low 80s, seasonal for this time of year, slightly above normal, and temperatures go in the upper 30s and 40s for overnight lows. We're going to be looking ahead towards mixed signals towards the second half of the month. We are seeing the polar vortex weakening. That could surge a shot of cold air south. That'll bring storm systems back and hope cooler temperatures to end the month. We're also seeing indication on some long-range data that high pressure will stay out west and keep that stuff to the east and northeast of us. Something we'll keep an eye on and keep updating, but right now we'll take this half inch of rain here the next few days and then prepare for that drier spring-like weather next week.
Once again, that's Ag Meteorologist Chris Schromick at Decision Weather Now, as well as America's Weather Streaming Channel. For KYVZ Radio, I'm Joe Bazurek.